Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into a fundamental concept in programming, variables. Variables are like containers that hold information in a program, and they play a crucial role in making our code dynamic and adaptable. The definition of variables. So what exactly is a variable? In programming, a variable is a name storage location that can hold data, and the data can change during the execution of a program. Think of variables as labeled boxes in which you can store different types of information, such as numbers, text, or even complex structures. Declaring variables. To use a variable, we first need to declare it. Declaration involves specifying the variable's name and its type. For example, in a language like Python, you might declare an integer variable named age, like this. Here, age is the variable name and 25 is the initial value assigned to it. Now, on to variable types. Variables can hold various types of data such as integers, floats, strings, and more. For instance, here, name is a string, height is a float, and isStudent is a boolean. Now, changing variable values. One powerful aspect of variables is that their values can change during the program's execution. Let's say we want to update the age variable from earlier. Now, age is incremented by 1, becoming 26. Use of variables in programming. Variables are essential for making programs flexible and dynamic. They allow us to reuse and manipulate data easily. Consider a simple example where we calculate the area of a rectangle using variables. Conclusion. In conclusion, variables are the building blocks of programming. They give us the ability to store, manipulate, and reuse data, making our code more efficient and adaptable. As you continue your programming journey, mastering variables is a crucial step towards becoming a proficient coder. Thank you for your attention today. I hope this brief overview has given you a better understanding of the role and importance of variables in programming. Thank you. This is Llamar Albert K. Matienzo from LFCA211M049 signing out.